Hello everyone and welcome back our tutorial series. In today's video we are going to learn how to check if a specific letters exist within a cell in Excel. This can be incredibly useful for various data analysis tasks. So let's dive right in. Okay, here we have a set of numbers. Here's a set of numbers. We need to check these numbers valid or not. If you are valid, that number is front letters is N, B, B, S, C, R, F, T, E. So how to check this one? First we can try if condition. Okay, if we need to check this one equal to any number here, anything, BS and stop. This one is here. We need to tell valid number. Otherwise, it tell what? Invalid. Okay, we can check it, but this one says invalid. But we already check what we check here, BS. We check big BS, but it's not working. So we need to do if condition, normal if condition, not working for this function. So we need to use here different function and special function too. So first what we need to do here, search equal search function, find text. Which text we need to find? Okay, so BS comma within the text, which cell? This one. And okay, so we can check here BSL. Okay, here is BS have it, means one means we have it here. Okay, if we are not, see, it's a value function error where we have it. Here is a value error coming. So here is we have it BS function. We already this function, this yes here we use a search function. So we found that letter in this cell, that's why we got the 1. Here is that letter is not in this cell, so that's why we got value error. So we got this function and is null. We use isNumber. Okay, check the value is texting value. What here we are going to use another function, is null, is number, not number null, is number. Okay, is number search. Okay, what happened here? True. So here is this value, this letter is here, yes, so true. Other one false because this letter is not here. Okay, that's good. So now we need to put this text. If this number is valid, we need to put valid number. If we are not, invalid number. So what we used here, if function. If this function, this one is true, what is the value? Valid. you're not true, that's why if you're not true is meaning false. Invalid number, invalid. Okay, let's see. Here is a valid number because this BS is here, but other one, because invalid number, we don't have a BS letter, but we have this much conditions: N, BS, CR, FT, E. So we need to do same thing, all of them. So we copy if function. Here we use two main function, ISNUMBER and SEARCH, and then we use if function, normal if function. Okay, so we can copy this one. Okay, copy and paste if function. Okay, here is a not B, here N. If here N value, that one is a valid number. Okay, other one is BS is a CR. CR, that's a valid number. Other one is FT. FT, FT, valid number. Okay, other one is, what is that? Other one is E. E. So that one is a valid number, otherwise invalid number. How many X? I don't know. Need to check. Let's see. So this one here. So we need to track this one, so we have a more space here. So formula bar, so we can write easily. So this one is here, ISNUMBER SEARCH BS before and valid number. If number is number SEARCH N, other one is CR, yeah, other one is FT, other one is E. This one is, in this condition, all of them is valid number. This one otherwise invalid number. Okay, now yes, N is here, but it's invalid number. Why? No, this one is the other one. Okay, now we can check. Yeah, valid number in. Okay, other one also we can move here. So no, what we need to do, can remove this one. Okay, double click here, so all of them is coming up. So valid number, invalid number. If we have a number value and only number, that one is invalid. Other one, N is valid number, G is invalid number, N valid number. Okay, so if they give like that in the cell, in a cell, if a specific letter exit within a cell in Excel, we can use like that. So we can use three function, if and is number, other one is search function. So first what we need to do, find the search. We can do search and find the that letter is in the that shell. So if that one is that letter is in exit in that cell, we can use is number. We can use true or false. If you have if exit is true, if it's not false, then we can use if function, and we can command that one if that logic is true, valid number. If you are not true, invalid number. Okay, so we can use here is number and search function, two of them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.